Hey guys, and welcome back to AllCuber. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean out your speed cube. Okay. So obviously you're going to want to take apart your cube first. So if your cube turns like terribly, like this kind of Maylong, upcoming video, I broke my 2x2, so I ordered a new one, and there's some lube coming with that one, so I'm gonna put some of that in here. But obviously the first thing you want to do is take apart your cube, and if you haven't watched my tutorial on that, then go ahead and do so. There we go, got an edge out, got a corner out, got another corner out, and just kind of do this till it eventually goes like this. So it might seem a little overwhelming at first. So yeah, it's still an edge in there. So we're just gonna put this core off to the side and cue the time lapse. Also, quick reminder, you will need a wet paper towel and a dry paper towel for this. Now, cue the time lapse. So for each piece, you're just gonna wanna do kind of this with the edge piece. Kind of get in the tracks there. Get under here like that. The tracks again. Get under here again. Kind of wipe down the sides. Like that. And for the corner, you're just gonna wanna wipe down the sides like that. Get all that stuff off there. And wipe down the tracks. With the white paper towel. Back to the towels. Now what you want to do is just reassemble your cube, and if you don't know how to do that, just watch my tutorial, and yeah, see you the next time lapse. And there you go. Hopefully your cube turns much better now. I know mine certainly does. Once I put some lube in this thing, it ought to be pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.